Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Eric, Ready Hustle. As you can see, I got the printer going in the background. Working on some transfers tonight. Not sure if I'll get around to the embroidery because it's already about 11:45. Yeah, 11:45. So, just knocking out some orders. Maybe we'll see what we get into tonight. But sorry it's been so long since I posted. I did tell you I was going to get a 3D puff video ready for you guys, and I'm still working on that. But I will be coming out with the whole digitizing series on top of my work with me videos, and also some how-to embroidery videos, like how to do puff 3D. And yeah, so glad to be back. Hope you guys still remember who I am. It's been a while, but thank you for everyone who's been subscribing since I've been gone. I've grown quite a bit in the last month, and I haven't posted anything, so I appreciate you guys. I love my subs. I appreciate you guys. I probably wouldn't be posting if you guys weren't still subbing and everything and watching, so I really appreciate that. It makes me happy that people actually do watch. So I plan on releasing a lot more content moving forward. I just need to work on this on my new schedule, because I did get a new day job, and it's just a lot of filling things out and kind of getting used to the schedule. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, we got the zombie apocalypse printing. Let's show you that real quick. Always remember to mirror your image. I throw away like 3 prints a day because I forget. And y'all trying to party? You came to the right YouTube channel if you're trying to party. Just kidding. McCloud DTF powder. So I've been using this and actually been super impressed. So we're using more of that. And I kind of had a little leakage, as you can see. Maintenance tank overflowed. Whoops. Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through the new embroidery room, or craft room, or in this case, sewing room. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What you working on?
Crunchies and recording.
Wow. Oh, and another video.
Mm-hmm.
That's like an Inception. It's a video in a video. It's called a BTS. Behind the scenes.
Oh, okay.
Jeez. Oh, you're thinking of the band, right?
Yeah.
Butter? Oh. Got our sublimation printer, Rollo printer, camera bag, laptop stand, Cricut, baby lock, Flourish 2, P800, and the buy. Man, this thing is a beast. This thing is a workhorse. We run it non-stop, no issues. Let's see. Biggest issue we had some threads slipping out after a cut, but I just adjusted the cut length and that solved that issue. And honestly, man, we haven't had any issues. I know some people have had issues with their cut, with the cutting, but I don't know if that's just the mirror model and the vision model doesn't have that issue, but we've been solid. And hey, we got some stuff on the shelf now. Got our heat press from Heat Press Nation. We actually got it secondhand through eBay.
Facebook Marketplace.
Through Facebook Marketplace, secondhand. Sorry. Yeah, stay away from eBay. And then back. So I had to move everything in here. And I had to hang everything up, and I had to rethread the machine and change all the needles and oil it and talk nice to it so it performs well every day, all for my wife. So, someone's got to do it. Someone's got to do it. Alright guys, before I print any designs, I use Photoshop to gang the images up. And what I like to do, since I have to mirror them, and with the rip software I use, it's easier if I move everything to the side and up. So, what is that? To the right and up? I don't know how to talk. But when I go to mirror it, it'll flip it all to this side, so it prints nice and exactly where I want it. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you that here, rip. As you can see here, if I had everything on this side, the print would probably come off the page. Now, what I could do is I could center it on the film. See how I moved it over just a tad? See, it shows that it's going over, but none of this white will print. As you can see right here, it's all blank on the left. So that way this print will be nice and centered, so when I get it to its rightful owner, it'll be easier for them to center it on the shirt. And this actually is my first Christmas designs going out this year, and it's actually going to a fellow YouTuber, one of our favorite YouTubers. So I look forward to it. I'm not going to spill the beans. I won't let you know who it is, but I'm excited. So let's go ahead and send it. Oh, you know what? I don't know if I showed you guys my settings. So let's go ahead. Let's go down to color. And these are the color settings I run. So 23 on color or CMYK, 30 on white, full brightness, full contrast. Come over to the white settings, and let's go ahead. I usually do gradient white. That gives me good results, but lately I switched out to a new white. And I noticed it worked a little bit better with a 100% highlight at 5%. And let's go ahead, let's send that to the printer. Go down to printer. And print. Oh, one more step. Sorry guys, I'm doing it from looking at my phone and it's hard. Alright, so now with AquaRip 9, that's the rip software I use, it takes a long time to send a large image. This isn't the largest image I print. Normally I do a 12 by 16. This is actually a 10 by 13 print, so a little bit quicker, but still takes quite a bit of time. So what I like to do is once one is printing, I go ahead and I'll send another one so I don't have to wait in between prints, and it keeps the prints going. And if you're worried about starting another print before you remove the print from here, just load up one paper at a time, so you don't have to worry about getting a nice new print smudged, in case you're wondering what a waste ink looks like. Ugh. Okay guys, what do you think of these prints? I think they came out pretty good. Actually, they came out perfect. They're beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, lay them down in the powder. And after it comes off the printer, you want to let it dry, air dry for a few minutes, because if you powder it too quick, there'll be too much moisture in there. So you want it to dry a little bit, but if it dries too much, the powder won't stick. So there's a science to it. So I prefer to lay my white only thick enough to get that white powder. I like to put my white ink down thick enough so the white powder will have a good base to stick to, and that the DTF transfer will be durable. But if you lay your white underbase too thick, you'll have a plastic, like, worse than vinyl fill. So I like to keep my transfers as thin as possible. As you can see, the dark and then the white over top. Ooh. Alright guys, it's almost 1 o'clock and I'm still printing. But working on some new designs too. One's an order and a couple. Since the order is so small, I decided to throw on some designs for us. And we're still printing Christmas designs. So I'm getting pretty tired. Definitely not going to do any embroidery tonight, but I'm going to go ahead, finish these designs, and go ahead and cure them in my little easy bake oven. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and knocked all these out. I totally forgot to show you guys the oven process just because I was kind of doing a lot of things at once. So apologize about that, but yeah, they turned out great. Can't wait to get these designs out. And I can't wait for you to see who gets them. Alright guys, so I'm not going to be able to get to the buy today. It's already 1:30 and I still got to package and do a few more things. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up now. Thank you guys for watching. It's probably one of my shorter videos, but I'm just glad I got something up for you guys finally. Stay tuned for more digitizing coming soon. If you have any questions you want me to go over in digitizing or embroidery, let me know and I would love to make a video about it. And stay tuned. Puff 3D coming soon. The digitizing and also the how-to video. So, or maybe not a how-to, but how I do it. If I say how-to, everyone thinks I'm an expert, and you know I don't want to call myself an expert yet. So, I appreciate everyone watching. Thank you for being here, and hopefully you'll see more of me soon, and a lot of me. So, thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.